As I promised you in my last video, today I am back with not only one but surprisingly three. Yes, today I am going to tell you about three biggest scholarship schemes which are available for 12th passed students throughout India, and anybody can apply through online and can get the benefits for a long time. Long time, which literally means up to 4 years. Yes, I said 4 years. All that you have to do is just apply for the scholarship through your desktop or laptop or simply using your mobile phone. Hello my dear friend, this is Ajay Reddy and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. First one is Keep India Smiling Foundational Scholarship Program. This scholarship program is organized every year throughout the India by one of the reputed dental care brand called Colgate. It generally provides scholarship for the students of class 11th, graduation or diploma, even BE, BTech, occasional courses and for the sports persons. Even it provides some amount as a grant for individuals who help for the other students. Apart from all these things, the main question comes here is eligibility, which exactly decides that you are perfectly suitable for the scholarship or not. The first eligibility point comes here is must have passed class 12th board examination in 2020. It is compulsory because you have to submit your class 12th mark sheet copy while applying for this scholarship. And the second eligibility you required here is you must have scored a minimum of 60% in class 12 board exams. If your percentage is less than 60%, you are unfit for this scholarship because you was also asked to submit the proof here. And the third one is you must be enrolled in 3-year graduation or diploma program in a recognized institute of India, which means you must have already taken the admission in any registered institute for graduation and you need to upload your admission letter or fee receipt here, which serves as a strong proof. And the last one is annual family income should be less than 5 lakhs and you have to submit your annual income certificate here, because the point of family income is very essential when it comes under such scholarship. And the benefits we are going to get in the name of this scholarship is about 30,000 per year, which is available up to 3 years. Here the thing I should remind you is the last date for applying, that is 2020 September 30th. The second one is STFC Indian Meritorious Scholarship. This scholarship program is organized by Shriram Transport Financial Corporation, which is a biggest commercial vehicle company in India. For more details, just scroll down the page here where you can see the voice explanation about the scholarship in almost all languages like Kannada, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil and so on. Apart from all these things, the main thing you should know is eligibility. The first eligibility point that all of you know is this scholarship is open for undergraduate students. And the second one is applicants must have scored at least 60% in class 10th and 12th. As I said, it is compulsory for all meritorious scholarship programs. And the third eligibility point is applicants must be enrolled in any year of a 3-year or 4-year graduation or engineering program in a recognized university or college or institution in India. And in the same way, you have to submit the proof here. The fourth one is family income must be less than or equal to 4 lakhs and it should not be more than that. Next, the last and main eligibility comes here is applicants must be the children or wards of commercial transport drivers or owner cum driver only. Because if your father is a driver, you have to submit his driving license, or if he is a owner, you need to submit the vehicle RC copy. Finally, the benefits available under this scholarship is 30 to 35,000, which you are going to get up to 4 years. Especially the thing you have to keep in mind is the last day to apply, that is 2020 August 31st. The third one is Sardar Patel Scholarship. This scholarship is directly provided by Buddy for Study, one of the India's largest scholarship portal. Let's see the eligibilities. The first eligibility is this scholarship is open for students studying in first or second year of the 3 years graduation program in any stream including science, arts, commerce or special education. Means students who are studying at second year graduation can also apply for this. And the second eligibility point is the applicants must have passed class 12 board examination with minimum 50% marks. Wow, comparing to last two scholarships, its eligibility marks is somewhat less. And the third eligibility point is the annual family income should be less than 6 lakhs per annum. If your family income is more than that, you can't apply for this scholarship. And the fourth one here is applicants must be pursuing graduation from a recognized college or university in regular full time, and you need to upload a documental proof in relation to this. At last, finally, the fifth eligibility point is you must be an Indian citizen. As it providing scholarships for only Indian students, it is compulsory to upload Aadhaar proof for confirmation. And the benefits you are going to get under this scholarship is 15,000. But the important thing you should note here is 2020 September 30th, which is the last day to apply for this scholarship. I have provided all the 3 links in the description which takes you directly to the scholarship page. In return, I request you to share this video with as many people as you can because education in India is not that easy.